Hi friends. So today I will talk on a very different type of topic that is related to our professional life. That how to develop the leadership skills. It's very common if anybody who wants to achieve something in their career and he wants become a area manager or any top level management he wants to achieve or he wants to go there. So there is a one very important skill is leadership skills. So under the leadership skills there is a three very important component comes. First one, influence without authority. You should be a leader who takes responsibility, who influence without any authority. He should be like that. Your teams should be think that you are the part of their team. You not look like that you are a boss. You just giving the order and they need to follow it. It means you should be a part of their team. You should also try to push them and you should also try to be a part of that core task which you have assigned. So like just take example that if you have some project has come and you have one deadline that you have to complete it within the 3 days or 4 days. So what do? You have to take the initiative. You comes every day at proper time, at the particular time at the office, and go late in from the office. So that it looks that team is that my senior is also very serious about the job and he also supporting us, and you should be available every time. Whatever the teams need, that I just need your help, you should be available by 24/7 for them, because that's what gives the responsibility and authority that you are the person who is leading them, not just pushing them. So it's very important under the leadership skill, that influence without authority. Second thing which is very important under the leadership skill, that is a decision making process. Or every time a decision making process makes a very big difference in organizations growth, because if decision is delayed and is stuck somewhere, like in our India we just seen that many times the political parties, they just keep on delaying all the projects, and because of that the cost of project had from it may be around 1 lakh or 2 lakh, or even just taken a crores also. So it was the one around 5 crore or 10 crores, but gradually just procrastination or delaying the process of decision making, it becomes around a 5 year or 7 years, it becomes more than 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs project or 25 crore projects also. So similarly, if you not take the decision right time, so it will delay the process. So whenever you want to take any decision, think on these things, that what is the ideal process of, what is the overall idea of this decision which you are going to take. So draw an ideology how it will work, then analyze that whether this decision will be the fruitful or your organization will get the benefit or not, and plan for that how long you want this decision should be the applicable from today, and how will be the overall length of this plan for that, or the decision it should be for the 5 years, 10 years, or it will impact for the 1 year. So you just need to be planned around it, that decision which it will be now we are taking. So it should be like this. It should be innovative also, like already whatever the plan is available in the market, if you just follow that same plan, so it will not work. It will be a copy of it, and your team also not respect that you just copying from there to here. So you should try to give some innovative plan under the decision making process, and accept the change, whatever the changes you have taken under the decision making skills. It's very important that you should accept the change also, whatever the change you have taken, and first you should buy the decision what you have done, then your organization, your teammate also buy it gradually. So last and very important component is change management, which comes under the leadership skills, that whatever the change, like first we have making influence, then we have taken some decision, now this change it to be adapted by all your team. So how this change management will be adapted by your team. So it's very common, just whatever the decision you have taken, try to every time gives them what are the benefits that could be happens, what are the merits of are there, and what are the advantage of this decision why the organization is taking. And every time when your teams achieve something, just celebrate, just give them boost that they are in a right track and they have did very well job. And appreciations always works, because when you appreciate them, when you gives them that you are doing the very good work, and whatever the change or whatever the decision have organization is taken, you are embarrassing it, and you are accepting the change. And when you are accepting and gradually you are working on it, so you are doing a very great job, you are doing the very wonderful job. So you should give them this kind of appreciation also. So these all three attributes comes under the leadership skills. And you always, if you want to grow your team very well, so try to develop these try to touch on these all three parameters, and then your team will be work very hard, and they take you as a leader. So bye. I think all these points will be helpful for you. If you like the content, keep sharing this, and write down the comments where what the area of things which you want to learn more, or whatever the things which I can improve to give you the best of my. Thank you.